I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Election Commission. You must know, and Home Minister, how the women journalists are being heckled by BJP workers also in every rally. Please take care and tell your people to control your gundas. দেখুন আমি ওনার সাথে পার্সোনালি কথা বলেছি আমি পার্সোনাল সিক্রেসি মেইনটেইন করি I cannot say whatever I discussed with the observers or whatever I discussed with the governor, that is absolutely my confidential and secret matter that I am not going to disclose.
দিদি এই বলে এই
पूछो ना वो क्या करेगा बेचारा वो लोग तो सेंट्रल फोर्सेस है हम उसको लिए हम आई एम प्राउड ऑफ देम हम उसको हमारा ब्रदर सिस्टर मानते हैं लेकिन वो तो होम मिनिस्टर इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है क्यों इलेक्शन कमीशन होम मिनिस्टर का इंस्ट्रक्शन सुनेगा और इलेक्शन का अंदर में अगर वो साउटिंग स्लोगन चले पब्लिक को गांव से नहीं आने दे तो इसका गलती है इलेक्शन कमीशन को इसको बैड रिजल्ट नहीं हो रहा है इलेक्शन कमीशन का बैड नेम नहीं हो रहा है हम तो चाहते हैं इलेक्शन फ्री एंड फेयर हो हम सेशन का टाइम में देखा हम सेशन का टाइम में देखा हम पुलिस का टाइम में देखा हम और भी बहुत सारे था जो इलेक्शन कमीशन सबको देखा ऐसा खराब इलेक्शन हम कभी नहीं देखा चलो I will request my SP 21 booth number 22 booth number this Ahmedabad this Gokul Nagar Balayampur and 6 booth number also 6-7 to take all care so there will be no violence.
दीदी रिमोल पीछे चलो प्लीज এবার চলো যাবো দাদা যাবো মরে যাবো না আমরা মরে যাবো
All right, so you heard Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister, who was inside a polling booth for over an hour, and she came out and she's basically saying that she's never seen an election like this, questioning also where is the Election Commission. Monideepa Banerjee was there at this Boyal polling booth where all of this action was happening. Monideepa, what exactly has the Chief Minister said?
Are you on? By any chance? Up here?
Monideepa, can you hear me?
हाँ सर हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं हाँ बोल रहे ना
Okay, we'll try going back to Monideepa in just a short moment. Basically, the Chief Minister has now just, in an interaction with the media, trying to question where exactly is the Election Commission in this whole process. She was there inside a polling booth called Boyal School for over an hour, where dramatic scenes were seen of almost an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation between TMC and BJP supporters. Slogan shouting was happening while the Chief Minister was inside, and she even rang up the governor apparently and reportedly, where she said that there is a threat to her life. So all that drama is unfolding, whereas the Election Commission would want us to believe that this election, contrary to what was being said about Nandigram elections being bloody, were largely held peacefully. We'll of course have to wait for the Election Commission's comprehensive report, but a lot of aspersions, casting of aspersions has taken place by the Chief Minister and the TMC against the EC as well. Monideepa, I believe, is now with us. Yes, Monideepa, what exactly did the Chief Minister tell?
Yes, oh, the Chief Minister had a lot to say, but the most angry comment, of course, was about the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. She said very clearly, Didi Shabdhane, there you are, Mamata Banerjee, just exiting the spot after coming down to the main road on a wheelchair over 1.5 kilometers from that school, Boyal, where we saw these horrific scenes unfold. At a press conference on the street corner right here behind me, Mamata Banerjee attacked the Home Minister Amit Shah. She said that I have nothing to say to the central forces who have, had to sort of take me out of this area. I have nothing to say to them, but certainly want to tell the Home Minister what is this. This had to happen only on his instruction, Mamata Banerjee said, and she was quite angry. She also, in a way, tried to soften her outrage at the central forces, saying that what can the central forces do? They have been instructed by the Election Commission to behave in a certain way, which is why they have behaved like this, virtually in a way saying failed on the job. But she said the Election Commission is responsible. Certainly she believes that the Home Minister had instructed this kind of situation for her to get involved in. And finally, she also made a point about why the Prime Minister was in Bengal every time on election day. Now, I cannot recall offhand whether he sort of came last time to Bengal on polling day, but today certainly the Prime Minister has two public rallies. He has held two public rallies, one at Sonarpur, the other at Uluberia, all the while that Nandigram and 29 other constituencies were polling Mamata Banerjee, making a point, pointing that out, that why is the Prime Minister campaigning in Bengal when Bengal is also voting. So an angry Chief Minister, however, somewhat restrained in her outburst, but blaming the Home Minister fairly and squarely for what happened to her today, stuck in a polling booth for something like 2 hours, waiting literally to be rescued as the ground in front of that polling booth turned into a Kurukshetra with BJP supporters shouting Jai Shri Ram slogans on one side and Trinamool on the other, and all because Mamata Banerjee went to protest the fact that her polling agent did not find a place in that polling booth today.